Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing a minimal base image to cut bloat at the source. Once chosen, create a Docker ignore so build context uploads exclude large dev folders. Start a multi-stage Docker file, run compiles and installs in a builder stage, then copy only the final binaries into the runtime stage. Make sure to remove build tools and caches inside the builder. This prevents temporary files from inflating layers. By doing this first, you reduce the bulk early and set up for layer-level optimizations. Once the builder is set, focus on layers and packages to shave size. Combine related RUN steps with and so fewer layers exist, and always clean apt or package caches in the same RUN line. Install with no install recommends to avoid optional packages you do not need. Copy only application files and config into the image. Avoid copying tests or docs. Also strip debugging symbols from binaries when safe, because smaller binaries directly lower image size without changing. To finish, build with BuildKit enabled and tag images clearly for slim variants. Then run Docker image prune to remove dangling layers. Consider switching to distroless or run a Docker slim pass to automatically minimize runtime images. Once done, push and scan for surprises. If your final size is larger than expected, inspect layers with Docker history and dive into the offending layer to find added files. Make sure temporary files were removed in the same RUN command. This single check solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.